Hello, Braveheart. Want to do some stretching with me? I'm here for a quick stretch and snack before I hit the hay. I'm ZGALA, aka Auntie Angel, by the way. Hey, give me a thumbs up and subscribe while I'm thinking of it. And let's just do a few shoulder shrugs, a little bit of letting go of stress, a little bit of working out some tension in the arms before sweet dreams time, shall we? As usual, I like to remind you, you don't have to brush your hair, you don't have to wear a special outfit, doesn't have to take a long time, and there's not one right way. I encourage you to listen to your own body, follow your own lead, and you're welcome to follow along with me if you like. I tend to be silly even when I'm sleepy, so let's just bring an arm across the body, hold on to it with the other arm, kind of rocking around, wiggle that shoulder around, just letting go of some stress, checking out the ka-chunks, as I like to call them. I tend to carry a lot of stress in the arms. I know I'm not alone in that. Just bring the other arm across the body, and again, just rocking around. That's my heater making all that noise over there. Everything decided to turn on as soon as I got the camera on. That's how life is sometimes, huh? It helps to bring the arm across down low, bring it across up high, kind of vary that stretch up, and then wiggle that shoulder around one way, then the other in that stretched position, and bring it back. I still got some little bit of injury in this arm I'm shaking off. It's healing up pretty good though. Let's do a few shoulder shrugs for good measure, shall we? I'm kind of in a, I'm definitely in a squat position here that you can't see, and I'm going to shift that off of my ankles and onto my knees because I've been snowboarding today and my ankles is tireder than the rest of me. I know that's not proper English at all, and that's all right. Let's just bring the shoulders up with a breath in, scrunching them up. Breathe in a little more and then just letting them go. Nice and simple. Just letting go of stress. Let's do it again, maybe a little more vigorously this time. Breathing in, scrunching up the shoulders. There we go, a nice pop. Bring up the fingers, scrunch the toes and the pelvic floor. If you want to, scrunch up your face. Breathe in a little more, you don't have to. Let all that go. Let the arms swing if you can without hitting yourself, which I can't. I'm hitting myself a little bit. Let's do one more. Breathing in, shrugging up, tensing up, pulling up the pelvic floor, scrunching the toes and the face and the fingers. Just letting go of stress, just like that. It's easy as a 1, a 2, a 3. See? Doesn't have to take a long time. You're worth it. It's worth it. Do it. Till next time, peace.